Hello YouTube, welcome to my weekly breakdown that I do every Sunday. Well, no, actually, I'm going to send this to the Discords first, and then we're going to get started. And let me tag everyone in Discord. Bam, there we go. I'm also, for the guys in the Discord, it's not gotten quiet, but it's gotten a little bit quieter in the Discord. And I've not really done much like engagement stuff in the Discord. Like I used to tag everyone like quite often, and now I don't really like we post an announcement in Discord like once every 6 months type thing. But I'm gonna try and pump up the activity. I'm gonna create a bit of a little engagement plan, and we're gonna start doing a few things, try to get everyone involved again. So I'm gonna start doing that this week. We also have a giveaway that I'm gonna post tomorrow, and then we technically have 3 giveaways. Tomorrow is only a small one. I think it's two 10k accounts. And then we have a decent giveaway, which will be like a few 25s, a few 50s, a few 10s. And then we're going to be doing a poker tournament as well, which will be a collaboration with another big influencer and a community. So it's going to be like MCR versus their community. And I'm hoping it's going to be like at least 100 or 200k account for the winner. Probably a 200k. I'm going to try and push it. And then like for the runners up, we're going to also have accounts. So that should be pretty fun. So yeah, I'll post that giveaway tomorrow. So keep your eyes out. Right, let me post this. Live market breakdown. Like that. Ping. Yep, done, ready. Bam. Do you think the US voting will change the market conditions again? Honestly, I can't really tell you, because when I started trading was the year of the elections. 2020, right? Yeah, 2020. So I started like late 2019, and I honestly can't remember. But I'm guessing, yeah, there's going to be a little bit of volatility, but I don't think it's going to make a massive change, because you've also got UK as well. UK are doing election as well. UK election date 4th of July. Oh wow, is that when it is? Is that soon? 4th of July. Oh, next Thursday. Oh damn. And when is the US one? Tuesday, 5th of November. June, July, September, October, November. Is it that far away? But I know they might be sacking off Joe Biden and bringing in someone else. But yeah, the UK one is next week then, so we'll see. Let's see if it's on here actually. Thursday. Yeah, elections. Red folder all day. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember what happened last time. Can you see? Oh, you can. Let's see. Let's have a look. December 12, 2019. Let's go on GU. December 12, 2019. December 12, 2019. Oh God, we're December 12. Let's see what happened. June, July, September, October, November, December. December 12. Let's see what happened. Ooh, is that it? Ooh, okay. Oh, it looks juicy. So yeah, that was on a Thursday. Oh my God, look how much red folder is in one day. And this is what happened. Oh, how much was that? 400 pips. Oh, that's going to be nice. Yeah, so if you've got a nice runner that's in like, I don't know, you cannot hold that on a prop firm account. No chance. But on a personal where spreads are a little bit better, if you can hold a runner, I think it's worth it. If you actually got stopped out at where your stop loss was, I would, like, for example, prop firms, if I was in, 10 pips profit and this red folder news was coming out, and if it went to the stop loss, it actually stopped me out of my stop loss, I'd 100% hold this. 100%. Every single time I'd hold through red folder. But the fact that it can slip past your stop loss and you can get done for, I don't know, whatever, spread, slippage, weird broker stuff and whatever. And they can soft breach, hard breach your account anyway. You don't even need a reason. They can just go, yeah, he's trading news, fuck it, let's soft breach him. There you go. You're not getting your payout. So it's not really worth it. All that time and effort you put into a prop firm. But yeah, that looks pretty fun. So we'll see. Let's have a look at the rest of the news for this week though, quickly. Oh shoot. Is France legislative elections are today? Is there a notion of left and right in British politics for political parties? Yes. And well, let me see. One sec. Oh, let's see the percentage at the minute. Because I don't know how close it is. I don't know if there's stats at all. Let me have a look. Because, let's have a look in a second. Oh, here you go. Voting intention. 1 year. What does this mean? Okay, so Labour, Conservative. Yeah, so it's fairly split, but right now, what's this? June 27th. I don't know how they got these stats like concurrently, like each stake isn't it just every time they vote? Yeah, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure what effect this will have on pound as well, because at the minute the state of the UK is a bit of a shithole, and everyone wants Labour out. I don't know. Interesting. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Let's get into some trades. So last week, how did everyone do? First of all, how many trades did everyone take last week, and how many wins, how many losses? Who had a good week? Who had a iffy week? And who had a bad week? How did everyone do? And especially for the MCR people. I mean, we only have what? Trap and Lytix and Baldwin. You three are the MCR peeps. And Emotion. But Embers, Gemo, you guys, you're more than welcome to hop in. Took 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 win and 1 break even. Nice, that's good. So you're up 1. 2 wins, 3 losses. You took 5 trades. Damn. Oh, 2 wins, 1 loss. Okay, right, okay. Just gonna say 5 trades is a lot. And 3 losses, I don't even know where you'd find those 3 losses, because quite a few won. I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good, Trap. How are you? How did your week go? 3 wins, 1 loss. Nice, so everyone's up. Lytix, you're up. Oh, took 2 trades, 1 win. Went to TP after break even. Ah, that's annoying. So you're up total 1 trade. Baldwin, total up 1 trade. Emotion, up total 2 trades. Trap, took 1 trade, 1 win, up 1 trade. Nice. It was just... USD Swiss was a loss. Just missed my take profit and got tapped out by like a pip. Yeah, USD Swiss was a bit awkward, wasn't it? Based on my entry that I had, I would have like just hit take profit. But obviously I missed entry by I think like 2 or 3 pips. But we'll quickly go through what actually happened last week. Is everyone using the new journal, by the way? Who's using the new journal and who isn't? 6% up on the 100k phase 1 and back to break even. 50k. Nice. I switched yesterday. I do. I'm using a new. Other Leon, are you trading MCR? And also Hemo, are you using MCR or are you trading your own strat? Yeah, you do use MCR. Nice. Let me quickly... I need to update my forward testing for this week. I've added most of it, but I think there's still a few more from Friday. And I don't know... I know this looks really realistic that they've all worked, but this is literally just this month. Ignore those May ones because they weren't as... But this is June. This is everything I recorded in June. And I know it looks silly, but I literally haven't recorded a loss. And this is just a 4-hour/daily level with a confluence. Obviously excluding news. If it has news, obviously I'm not trading it and I don't even record it. I don't record news trades. So if there's red folder news released during it, I will not record it. Unless the red folder news does nothing and, you know, we know that it's going to do absolutely nothing. So it does look a little bit unrealistic at the minute, so ignore it. But how many trades do you guys have? Are your stats looking good at all? Like when it comes to top 10 conferences, is this actually showing you anything? Because all mine at the minute are just 1 trade, basically. 1 trade, 1 win. So it's not that interesting. I haven't fully got out of drawdown, no, not yet. Essentially trade MCR, but when there are strong flows, I'll use pulp style too. Nice. Yeah, same for you, Lytics. Yeah, once we have enough trades, it'll look better. And then we also have the journal thing for... Okay, that's broken. I don't know why it says plus 1%, but it's only plus 0.5. Okay, well, it is meant to work. But anyway, right, let's get into this week. So, I took GA. This is the one I took. Break retest. I sent that out, and that one worked a treat. That was technically a daily break and retest. Yeah, it completely updates Baldwin. So, it'll update. The title will update to the next month, and also the dates and the days will also update. So let's say next month starts on Monday. So obviously the date, the 1st, will move over to the Monday, and it'll start from Monday, if that makes sense. So the days correlate with the date. So it's like perfect. Really nice. I don't know why it says +1 when it's plus 0.5. I don't know. That's a bit weird. But yeah, it should automatically update. We'll see. I can't test it because it's all based on like current date, so I can't change it. But you don't understand how long this took. It took quite a damn while to do all this. And I just realized, oh yeah, no, that's fine. But as you can see, if you look at the formulas for each of these, it's pretty chunky. So yeah, it took quite a bit of work. I've already done my charts. I just haven't been in a chart obsession for a whole... Yeah, that's all good, man. But yeah, right, let's get into it. So yeah, GA worked. I took that. We also had the GA... what was this one? Did I take that one? No, I didn't. Oh no, I didn't take the break and retest, but I took the buy. Ah, that's what happened. Oh yeah, so did any of you guys take the break and retest on GA? Because it worked so nice, but I was not keen on this move up. As you can see, that was the trade I was looking for. But this movement here just put me off. It came pretty, well, not close to entry, but sorry. Oh, fucking hell. It came close-ish, you know, within the 30 pip range, and then just pissed about for like a day or two. So that sort of put me off a little bit, and I cancelled the trade. But as you can see, it tapped really nicely and worked. The trade I did actually take was this one down here, which was on Wednesday, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was on Wednesday. And this was just 4-hour level. Literally just 4-hour level. ATR, if we go back and do that. You can see ATR here. 4-hour level, ATR, and a strong move in. And I'm pretty sure we had alignment with Aussie dollar, US dollar. So if we go to AUD USD. So this is literally how simple the 4-hour trades are. We're on here 15 minute. Oh, right. No wonder it's... I think we had alignment, didn't we? Wednesday. Oh, yeah. Okay, right. So we had this level. Yep, I see what it was. Yep. So we had this sort of level here that price came into. And that was at the same time as price came to this. And as you can see, Aussie dollar, US dollar made this nice rejection. And if you look at GA, I wish I could play them like one by one. No, this is really confusing. But you can see anyway, this candle, let's skip this one a few. You can see that first rejection candle here was the exact same as Aussie dollar, US dollar. And when AU started to move, if you watch GA, I think we'd already hit take profit at this point. But yeah, it did anyway. Did a nice move. Yeah, it already, oh, that's like 50 pips. It already hit take profit at that first reaction. But yeah, perfect alignment. Nice move in, ATR. That was literally it. And those are the types of trades I'm taking. Don't need a fib, don't need anything. As long as it's a decent level, it has a decent move into the level, and it has like, you know, ATR or, you know, some sort of alignment, and it worked an absolute charm. And then apart from that, we had EA, which was not that one. I took the break and retest, I'm pretty sure. So this level here, look how clean that break retest was. I think it was a fib. It was the first like 4-hour fib trade I took. So it was the 50 fib, obviously the level, and it had ATR, I'm pretty sure. That's it. And it had a decent move in as well. So ATR was, yeah, here. So I entered with, was it a 25 or was it 35? 25? No, it must have been 30 then. Yeah, I think it was that. And yeah, as you can see, yeah, worked beautiful. Worked really nice. And then this was the buy I was looking for on Friday, which I don't know if any of you guys are looking for it as well, but yeah, pain in the ass. Look, watch this. You ready? Wait for it. Boom. Look at that. So that again was the 4-hour level, and it had alignment with pound Aussie dollar, and again maybe Aussie dollar US dollar, I can't remember. Yeah, Aussie dollar US dollar, as you can see with this level. So again, alignment with both, and it missed by literally a few pips. And then of course we had USD Swiss, and we also had GU. There was so many. Aussie dollar Swiss was it was the fib, the level, and then I also had this trend line duplication, so that, and if you duplicate up to the high, you can see we had the trend line as well. I'm glad you started trading 4-hour levels. I was given a bad time last year with 4-hour levels, but since finding MCR and focusing on daily levels, I feel like I'm not way better at spotting which 4-hour levels are best to trade. Oh, okay, I get you. Yeah, so you're sort of getting mixed up between a daily and a 4-hour. Oh, right, okay. Wait, what? Wait, which bit are you correcting here? I was given a bad time. I feel like I'm way better at spotting which 4 hours are best. Oh, okay. I get you, yeah. You corrected yourself twice. I feel like I'm now way better at spotting 4-hour trades. Okay, nice. Yeah, so one difficult thing, I'm going to start doing the analysis, but I'll talk whilst I'm going through the analysis. I'll just like do it in silence type thing. Also, this worked as well. Pound Swiss break and retest. There was just nothing. There was no confidences at all. It was super annoying. And I went for 30-30. But yeah, what I was going to say is one thing that I've not been finding difficult, but it's one thing that I need to sort out. 4-hour EMA. Ugh, no. Technically, yes, but no, I don't really want to look at 4-hour EMAs. I think that's too low. I think daily and above. Right, let me can't remember what I was saying. Fuck. Oh yeah, so obviously when I was trading daily levels, I was very, ooh, that's very nice. Sorry, I got distracted again. When I was trading daily levels, I was very set on, like, for example, a daily level for me has to be 100 pips or above type thing. So if you have, you know, that, and I was wanting to take a sell from here, this move in and out would have to be 100 pips. So that would have to be 100 pips, which is 194, let's say. And the move out obviously has to be over 100. Whereas if it wasn't 100, then I wouldn't class that as a daily level. However, now that I'm also trading 4-hour levels, like even if it looks like a daily level, but it isn't 100 pips, for example, let's say this here, it is technically a daily level because obviously it has structure on a daily and it looks, you know, you're finding a level on the daily, so it is a daily level, but you know, under my terms of a 100 pip thing, this might not be 100 pips. Let's see. Okay, it's 130, but let's say it's not 100 pips. If I go down to the 4-hour, look how nice of a level that is on the 4-hour. It's a really good level to trade on the 4-hour, but it is technically a daily level, you know? Whereas a strictly 4-hour level would be a level that you can see on the 4-hour. For example, here, let's say that's a 4-hour level. Whereas if I go on a daily, you'll see that that isn't really a level. Yeah, it's the wicks, but there's no structure to it at all. So I'd class that as a 4-hour level. Whereas like this, you can see a bit more structure to, so that's a daily level. For example, daily level, daily level, daily level, daily level, daily. So that's about it. But now you go to the 4-hour and you can probably see a few more. I mean, for example, if this move hadn't, you know, have happened, so let's go back here. This would have been a 4-hour level. That's a 4-hour level. Maybe that, not really, but it's too far ago. Too far away? Yeah, too long ago. But yeah, that's one thing I need to improve on, is like just understanding and sort of redoing my rules as to what is a daily, what is a 4-hour, that type thing. And I just need to re-go over my trading plan basically, because now I'm trading 4-hour levels as well. I do need to just sort of deepen my understanding and actually solidify like what I want to do and what I don't want to do. What I don't want to do, whatever. I wanted to do it today, but I didn't do it. Yeah, I'll probably do it tomorrow, to be fair. Because I need to finish my weekly review. I don't know if you guys are doing them at all, but I sent like, if you go to the resources channel, which is in my little section, I now have like this, can I do this? Oh, balls. Anyway, this is a daily review. So at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day, this is what I do. So beginning, I do the expectations outlook, and then at the end of the day, I actually write what happened. That's to do with like flows, news, what happened the day before. Like, okay, we're seeing strong USD and there's a few USD sells I'm looking at. I expect it to potentially reverse at like 1 o'clock because of this news. Try and predict what's going to happen, you know, and try and have an understanding of what's actually happening. And then at the end of the day, write what actually happened. Were you correct? Were you close? Were you completely wrong? Did something crazy happen? And then any notes. And then I've got the weekly review, which is so trade performance, trade review. How were your trades? Do you feel like they were good trades? Post some links. How were your emotions during the week? Did you feel like I don't know, you were getting, I don't know, you didn't have enough confidence to enter trades, or were you doubting your trades? You know, that type thing. Key lessons learned. Did you learn anything from this week? Oh yeah, with like pound Aussie, it follows news, whereas pound NZD does this. Did you improve from last week? So this is like a 2-part question. So on your what do you need to improve on next week, you'll write, you know, so for example, this week I was a bit sloppy with my trade. I know I took 2 good trades, but for example, pound New Zealand dollar on Friday morning, I missed it because I was on a good routine and I was waking up early every day, like 6 o'clock, and going to the gym and doing this and checking the markets. But because I woke up a bit late, I missed pound New Zealand dollar, which tapped at like 6, 7 a.m. So I would have caught that. But I didn't. So I need to fix my routine a little bit, and I also need to stay consistent with my daily reviews, because I think like I did every single daily review in the morning, but I think 2 of the days I forgot to finish it off in the evening. So that's one thing I can improve on. And then, you know, when you read your previous weekly one, you can say, did you improve from last week? Did you follow up on your what should I improve on? So it's just holding yourself accountable for things. And then also, if you've seen, bollocks, what did I just do? Oh yeah, so I've added it here as well. So you can add your trade review, your daily review, and your weekly review to each one of your trades. So you can fully see like everything. So I thought that was helpful. So if anyone has any of them that you want to send in or whatever, or you want to send them privately and just want me to go over it. I know someone from in here sent me theirs. I'm going to do that. I'm going to go over it today actually. But yeah, if anyone wants to send me them, and I can happily go over them and give you tips, give you feedback. Yeah. And yeah, with the trade plan, I'm going to sort that as well today, Lytix, because I need to go over mine and redo mine. So let's go over. So we got pound Swiss sells. That looks pretty nice with the fib. It has done 106 pips. So to be honest, I don't really care about like the, you know, differentiating between a daily trade and a 4-hour trade, because either way, at the minute, I'm going to risk the same. I'm just going to go 0.5 risk on everything pretty much. Or 1%. I don't know. I just need to sort that out. But once I have a bit more data and, you know, come on, there we go. Once I have a bit more data and my data says, you know, okay, break and retests have the highest win rate, then I'll go, okay, on break and retests, I'm going to risk 1.5%. And on this trade, I'm going to risk 1%. On this trade, I'm going to risk 0.5. So this is what this is for. Obviously, I just need to take a few more trades. That's all. I could also... Oh, you can see it here. I was going to say, yeah. I was going to say you could do it for like singular confluences as well, but yeah, it's right there. So currently, as you can see, I mean, this isn't really accurate. I don't know. I feel like these forward test trades I've cheated, but I know I haven't. Because there literally hasn't been... I don't know. I'll probably do this more off of my actual trades taken. Just so you can see like your strongest confidences. I still don't like break and retest trades. They never fill me with confidence. Oh, honestly, break and retest. Jesus, Leon, break and retest trades are my favorite trades. If you go on them, you will see the entries. I don't know if anyone here wants to agree or put their opinion in, or disagree. You're more than welcome to disagree. But break and retest trades, like for entries, are spot on. Like they will tap your entry to the point and then make the move. I think break and retests are more consistent than normal levels. I'm really, really happy with them. At first I was a bit iffy, but yeah, no, they're really, really nice. I think just give them a try. I always enter based on the wick. So for example here, I would enter literally bang on that, and I'd go, let's say, I don't know, what would I do for this? 30-30? Yeah, probably. So like here, I mean, you would have, I probably would have cancelled this one, to be fair, because I don't know if that would have tagged you or not. You probably would have missed by a few pips. Well, a pip, literally less than a pip. You would have missed by like 0.0 pip. I did 27, so I would have cancelled that, to be fair, but I probably would have cancelled it off this first miss, to be fair. It missed by 10 and did 30, so yeah, I would have cancelled that already, but I think they're really nice, personally. To be honest, I'm really slacking on journaling, which I need to improve on because I made 13% since April, so I should, yeah, of course you should, yeah. It's so easy to do. Like once you get in the hang of it, and if you're actually doing well with your trading, journaling is so much more fun. If you're having a shit time trading and you're not doing too good, it's the most depressing thing to lose a trade, look at your funded account and go, shit, I'm 5% down, and then having to journal the trade and put that loss into a journal and then write about that trade saying I took a shit trade when I shouldn't have. It's hard to do. It's not easy. It is tough. So yeah, it is difficult, but I feel like once you've got a good journal, which I actually really enjoy journaling now, because everything's stored. Like I have my trade reviews, daily reviews, weekly reviews. Obviously these ones were from the past, so I don't have the data, but as you can see, I have been filling them out now. I don't do a trade review, by the way, for every trade that I miss. It's only for the trades I actually take. If I miss it, I don't write a review. But now that I have like really interesting stats that will actually benefit me, not just like wins, losses, well done. Like this is so helpful. This is so helpful. Your daily performance can also be helpful. Like if you can go on yours and see that on Friday, you only have a 50% win rate when every other day is like 80%. And you go, oh shit, like why is my performance bad on a Friday? So all this is actually really helpful. Do you know why it's like this? Yeah, because so if it comes up as this on a journal, it means that you haven't filled out one of them. So if you have a look, if I like take the take profit off for this one and don't fill it out properly, it'll show as that. So you haven't filled in all the information, that's all. Once you fill it in, it'll then correct it and actually work. That's all. You did. Ah, because of this. You haven't. You've got like a 4-hour level with nothing. Delete that 4-hour level thing and it'll be done, I think. Yeah, if you put like half a trade in, it'll like glitch it out a little bit. Yeah, I didn't write down trades that I take from the Discord here. To be honest, I only write down the ones that I only analyze and trade. Yeah, that's fine. But what is fixed? You gotta go. No worries, lads. Yeah, I had the same issue. Trap, what you should be doing then is you should be, when I send out something, okay, like you should normally get the notification on your phone saying, you know, how I send them out, I do, let's see. Let me do that. So there we go. 1 second. When I send them out, they should look like someone messaged me saying, are you actually serious? Like, did the hedge funds actually know your entry? It's like, no, of course they didn't. When I send something out like Euro Aussie buy, don't hop into the Discord. Instead, hop on TradingView. Don't hop in Discord at all. Okay? See the Euro Aussie buy, hop on the charts, and you do it yourself. You try and find where I mean, what I'm actually looking for, and why I'm looking for that buy. And treat it like your own trade, and write down the reason and all that stuff. Your confidence should be higher because obviously I'm taking it, but try and present it on, you know, your trade journal or whatever, like it's your trade. and write down the reasons for it. Take the trade, and then once you're in the trade, then look at mine and go, okay, he actually entered it because of this or whatever. So don't just copy. Try and see like what pair I'm looking at, and then do your analysis and then compare it. That type of thing. That you'll learn so much better. Right, let's crack on. Let me change this. Daily level. Yeah, no worries, man. Daily. May as well mark out this. Daily level. Let me get the YouTube chat up just in case someone says hello. Yeah, 4 hour levels. We do have a few 4 hours, to be fair. We have this little messy bit before, and then we've got this. I'd much rather take a trade from that top one, to be honest. 4 hour level. I've got to the point now where I'm already looking at most of the trades that you are, which is obviously good for me. Yeah, that's really good. That'll boost your confidence so much. Just try and, yeah. I mean, all you need to do is just build that consistency and a discipline when it comes to your journaling. I know it's difficult. Even I struggle with it sometimes, but I mean, we've all just started doing it like properly with like these daily reviews and things. I know they look like a lot of effort, but they do help. Oh, I've only been doing them for like 2 weeks, these daily reviews. But if I don't do my daily review in the morning, and then I look at the charts at like 1 o'clock or, you know, midday, I won't have a clue what's going on. Like, why on earth has USD Swiss done this crazy move? Even if I go on Forex Factory and there's no news out, I'm like, why on earth has it moved? I won't have a clue. But if I do that in the morning and I go through the markets and, you know, see what's happened today or last night and understand what's driving the market this morning, I can then, you know, for the rest of the day, I know what's going on. I know that USD is in main, you know, has most of the dominance today in the market, and that Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar are pretty bearish, or this has happened and whatever. So if I don't do mine in the morning, it sort of screws me up, I can't lie. It does help. We've got a daily breaking retest here, which I'm not really going to take, to be honest. It's sort of missed. It's missed by 20 and just pissed about for a little bit, so I'm not too bothered. I'm changing the way I draw my levels because I was doing all these boxes, but honestly, it's too much effort. It's too much to keep up with. I'd rather just do lines. Now that I'm like properly trading the 4 hour time frame as well, I don't want to be just drawing lines all day because it just drains the life out of me. So this is nicer. We got this 4 hour level here, which is more of like, you know, just a consolidation level, but you know, we can use it for what alignment, sorry. I wouldn't really trade it. This 4 hour level is okay though. It's like 60 pips. This one's just a bit of a, I know it's 60 pips again, but it's not really escaped this level yet. And then you've also got a little 4 hour break and retest here. But nothing too crazy on pound CAD. Wow, that is a lot of levels, isn't it? That's so many levels. GN, oh my. Yeah, I'm annoyed I didn't take this one. Look at that. Anyone take this? Did anyone catch this on Friday morning? This was a beautiful daily trade. Did anyone catch this? 38 fib, level, ATR, super nice move in. Anyone? Or did anyone miss or forget to take it? Was asleep. Yeah, same. I was eyeing it out all day. I woke up and seen this, but NU wasn't at a strong level, so I swerved it. That's fair. But there wasn't anything crazy going on though. I'd only wait for a driver to hit a level if there was crazy flows. I know we had this move here, but then after that, it wasn't exactly, there wasn't much going on. Like if you look on a 15 minute, like that isn't this. Yeah, I understand taking a trade after this, but then this move here, there wasn't much momentum. You've got to be, one thing you got to be careful with, Hemo. I'm not saying this in a bad way, but for example, like not just me, but quite a few people with learning the pauper stuff. When he teaches about flows, I know a lot of people who have, this happened to me when I learned about flows and, you know, market dynamics and how, you know, the markets actually move. And, you know, let's say pound is in crazy flows. You shouldn't take a trade until pound dollar hits a level. That you got to be really careful with the way you teach it, because for a lot of people, and for example, me, I learned about flows and I instantly started like losing all confidence in trades. See you later, Gimo. Thanks for hopping in, man. Like if I would see the slightest flows on pound dollar, not pound dollar, just on pound in general, let's say it done 20 pips, I'd then be like, oh shit, I shouldn't be taking a trade right now until this hits a level, or I'd see DXY moving or this moving. I'd be like, oh fuck, like I don't know what to do. I don't really want to take a trade while this is happening. But I feel like that's the wrong way to look at flows. Unless, you know, there's like, for example, this, unless you wake up in the morning and this has happened, that's when it's like, yeah, okay, you know, wait until there's alignment across the board and then take a trade. Don't just take a random blind trade. But when it's done a little farty move, you don't really need that. That doesn't really have much importance unless you're seeing volatility. You just got to be careful. That's all. Because, for example, me and a few others, I know once we learnt flows, we lost a bunch of confidence in the markets because instantly you feel like you don't have a clue what's going on. And you obsess over flows to the point where you're not taking trades. And that's happened to a few people. They've just like sacked it off because it's just making them worse. But you should use flows just as an opportunity to understand what the market is doing. Like when I teach flows to people now and people DM me and ask about like what is flows, how do I learn flows? I don't tell them to avoid trades because of flows. I just tell them, right, okay, each morning you want to go to the hourly time frame and go through every single pair, and you want to have a little document or notepad next to you. And if you see any considerably big moves, if I woke up and, you know, let's say price was here. No, let's say price was here where it currently is. I wouldn't be asked. Nothing's happened overnight. But if I woke up, right, and saw price was like this, I'd go, okay, right, so we're seeing pound New Zealand going down. I then go to pound Aussie. Okay, let's say we went back to here. Pound Aussie is going down. I go to pound CAD. Pound CAD is going down. So then be right, okay, so this must be pound, because obviously pound CAD, pound New Zealand, pound Aussie, whatever. So then I'd write, okay, pound is bearish. And then I'd go, keep on going. And let's say only pound US dollar was bullish, but all the others weren't. And I'd be like, right, okay, so let's go to another USD pair, Euro USD. Euro USD is bullish. I know it's actually not. But then I'd go to another Aussie dollar, US dollar. So, okay, it must be USD move. So, right, USD is bearish or whatever. And that's all I'd do. So I'd get to the end and on my document, it would say USD bullish, pound bearish, Aussie dollar strong. I don't know, something like that. I'd then go and find out the reason for that. I'd then go, you know, go to Forex Factory. I'd go through the news from last night and go, was there anything released? No, okay, there wasn't anything released. I'd then go to the drivers. And that's like, you know, your bonds, as you can see, look, oh, bonds has been super strong overnight. So that means USD strength. So that's where the USD strength has come from. And because of that USD strength, maybe we've seen a bit of pound weakness, or JPY weakness or something. And then I'd try and make it make sense, you know? But that's all I tell people, to start off with that. Doesn't matter about trades and not taking trades, it doesn't matter. Ignore all that for now. I think that's the basics, just to understand, use flows to understand why the market is actually moving. And then if you can understand why the market is moving and why it's doing what it's doing and why it's reacting when it's reacting, just that alone can help you understand when to take trades and when not to take trades. That's it. I don't want people obsessing over like, oh, I shouldn't take a trade until this hits level and this hits level, because it can get a little bit too much, especially for like the newish people. Sorry for that rant. You may not even be like that, but sorry for the rant. That's for everyone. Yeah, I do get that. I looked at it on the computer later on and thought I should have taken it, to be fair. I completely get that, though. I felt like that before with flows and confidence. I do miss a few trades because of flows. Yeah, I mean, unless there's crazy stuff going on, or if it's on the back of news, like some news has come out and now we're seeing flows, that's when I'll be cautious. Or if we're seeing like, you know, extreme flows where I'm talking about like a big move, like 50, 100 pips type thing, that's when I'll be a little bit careful. But other than that, you know, if price is just doing this, like, you know, it's floating a little bit, I'm not that arsed. I'll just take a trade. But anyway, yeah, pound New Zealand worked a fucking charm. Now what do we have? We have this daily level. It took quite a while doing that, so I'm going to try and swing through these pretty fast. Daily. Daily. We got this daily up here. Let's delete that. Daily. Let's go full screen. This fib is pretty battered. There's nothing much more. This level, these levels, all of these levels here are pretty ugly now. You then do have this, which again is daily. Now let's hop to the 4 hour. Ooh, look at that. That has created a nice little 4 hour level. And then that's all I'm seeing really. And then that can go. I got to shoot off. Thanks for the advice. Speak to you all in the chat this week. Gonna pass this 100k phase 1. Yeah, you got it, man. Don't worry. You got it. Easy, easy, easy. You got it. No worries. I'll speak to you soon, man. GN, not really seen anything. Unless we could go like... Oh, shit. What have I just done? Nope. Go back. Oh, bollocks. I've just changed the order of them. Damn it. That's annoying. No, it's too far away. Okay. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie has reacted to this level, so that is a bit of a gone one now. This fib is also just dying a little bit. That level's gone. Break and retest. Yeah, this is one we took, yeah. So that's gone. We have... The fuck is that? Oof, no, fuck that off. Don't know why I drew that on. That's disgusting. You got this down here, which is obviously a daily level. Oh, you got a bunch. Yeah, this is too much. I can't bother with all these big grey boxes. I'm okay, thanks. Let's do that. Right, accept as a 4 hour. I just do the bottom one, or like the closest one, if that makes sense. I can't bother doing the entire box. Until I find someone who can code it for me that like it automatically makes the box or something. That's when I'll start doing it. But for now, it's too much effort to draw 2 lines and a box for every single level. Sack that. I don't have the time. I can't be bothered. This is technically a daily level, 150 pips. See, this is what I mean. Like that. I know it's 150 pips. And it looks ish like a daily level, but I would never take that trade. I think that's too small. But now, yeah, that is a decent daily level. It's just because of this wick up, I think it's a bit of a, yeah, okay, no. I'd more look at this as this 4 hour level. That's the more recent price action. Yeah. That's nice though. That could be something. Let's have a look. Ooh, that could be something. However, you do have the psych level up here, which is way nicer. I do prefer that. We'll have to see what happens, what lines up, but yeah, that could be something. I won't mark it out for anything at the minute. Yeah, well, I'll keep it out for sales. Okay, GJ. Jesus. GJ is doing interesting things. I'm not really looking to take a sell off out of any of them. I don't want to take some random sell from 10, 20 years ago. I'd rather just go off like these smaller 4 hour levels if it does retrace. But to be honest, yeah, I don't think we're going to see that. Yeah, it's taking its time. This is a daily level. This must be a 4 hour level. And that is just a wick. Yeah, no, there's nothing there. Get rid of that. I'll keep this here just to see what happens, but not bothered. Euro Swiss. This is just a dinky little 4 hour level, but it could do its thing. We'll keep that. 4 hour level. Yeah, that's valid. That is valid. And it's got the gap as well. I know market gaps can like, they're also like a little magnet and work as a level. So that could give us something. You then have this one up here, which is also a 4 hour level. But Euro Swiss is a bit of a bitch. It doesn't really move that much. Like that level there. I mean, yeah, you can grab a little 25, 25 or something from that, but let's see. Does it line up with fib or anything? Is there a psych? No psych. No fib. We got the EMA. Maybe an ATR. If we have a decent move in, could give it a go, but it's not exactly main interest of the week. Euro USD. Bit of an awkward level, isn't it? Yeah, this is so messy. I thought it looked okay, but it doesn't It looks so messy. So we'll sort this out. 4 hour. 4 hour. Hello, Mr. Tux. We got a nice little daily. We got another daily. Hello. 4 hour. We got a break and retest, which I'm not a fan, to be honest. Yeah, 4 hour. It just needs to break out again. Yeah, this is similar to whatever we were looking at before, but we got just a bit of a weird range, so we need EU to break out of that, but that should be nice. Maybe, I don't know, either buys or if we push up to this 4 hour level up here, which is not too bad. Get this daily down here. I'm doing good. I'm doing all right, man. Break retest. Yeah, I know you keep on looking at that, but that one there, I'm guessing. Yeah, I see it. You've also got the gap, and you've got the EMAs, technical at the psych level just above. But I don't know. Give it a go and see how it goes. But for me, yeah, you know what? I'll keep it there. Daily break and retest. We'll see what happens to it. Yeah, but nothing too interesting on the EU. Euro CAD again, pretty boring. This, oh shit, I didn't know that worked. Was that news? Yeah, it was news. Okay, yeah. This level's too close, so I'm not really gonna draw that or anything. You got this one. You've got this big boy up here, which obviously isn't getting tapped. Alignment. Wait, what? EU. Are you talking about alignment? Oh, break and retest again with this. Oh, that one. Oh, are you talking about like up here? These ones up here. Oh, this one up here. No, that's not really a break and retest now. This one. Left. Here? Yeah, okay. Right, I see. What is it like? 100, 112. I feel like EU will top before, to be honest. Could have alignment with like Europe. Pound CAD. Pound CAD has that little break and retest, so it might be that. Let's go to the 4 hour. 1 4 hour. We got another, like, I'm not really keen on that 4 hour, to be honest, but it is a 4 hour. And then you've also got this 4 hour. This is a very nice 4 hour. So yeah, that's all we got, but again, nothing of interest as, you know, Monday morning type thing. And you got this 4 hour down here, which is a bit of a weird one just because it's a big ass wick. So it's like 30 pip wick, which, yeah, not really for me. Euro Aussie, little bastard missed me by like less than a pip. I was looking for entries at 0.2. Missed me by a pip. Little bastard. Do you like the 61? What? Is in that 61? Or do you mean this? Daily? Oh, we're talking about like all the way up there. Oh, that one. I mean, that's like fucking a month away. Yeah, no, it's weird because it's the market open, isn't it? It's a bit of an awkward one. But you do have like the psych just below as well, so... yeah, no, it's just because of the candle, it looks odd, doesn't it? It looks really weird, but that level in general, the 1.64 level, looks pretty decent, so yeah, it's okay. I'd probably give it a little go. Let me update these levels. Daily level. Again, daily level. And this one. Daily level. Do we have any others? Nothing over there. Let us hop down to the 4 hour. This fib is not too interesting. We can get rid of that. Ooh. Is that worth another go? I swear to God, if I take that trade on the EA again, because I took this sell, then I was looking for this buy. Imagine if we rinse it with this sell again. Same with GA. GA, we absolutely rinsed that sell, that buy, like literally back to back. It was so nice. That's a good thing with the 4 hour. You can literally rinse stuff back to back to back, like this, sell, buy, sell, because that is a decent-ish trade. Get rid of that. Let's see. Oh shit, no, the fib don't really line up as much, does it? Let me mark these out. Nope, bastard. There we go, that one. 4-hour level, and you've got that one. 4-hour level. Which is a little bit too close, to be honest. I don't know. Unless we have like some really nice alignment or something, but not, you know, not overly keen on that one. I think I'd rather wait for that higher one. Euro into D. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Let's see. Daily level. We got another daily level. Another daily level. And we got this, which was... Oh, this one fail. Oh, wait, no, it missed. Oh, no. Missed by 8 and did 60. Yeah. Okay, never mind. So... Oh, yeah, 4 hours, sorry. Ooh. I didn't really see that. 1.77. I know the daily looks a bit ugly. I know it's technically not, but technically is. That's nice. I mean, like currently now with the ATR, but if that ATR stays there, you've got the level, you got ATR, you got 1.77. That's pretty nice. On the daily, do you have like a fib or anything? Let's see. Oh, bastard. Do you want there to there? Oh, look at that. That is a beauty. Right, okay, let's ping a little alert. So that is the nicest setup yet. It's just, it got a little bit close, that's all. Let's see entries. Let's see, enter like 8-8. 8-8 for entries. I mean, what, 30-30? I mean, 30-30 is pretty basic, to be fair. That's all right. That gives you like 17 above. 18 above. I think that's fair. I like that. I like that. Okay. EN is on the table. That is nice. I'll keep that there. So EN is the main setup for next week so far. Pound Swiss also looks nice, but not as good as EN. Nice. Euro. Oh, also, actually, I just thought, because I'm going to be taking all these 4-hour trades on all my accounts now, do I get rid of the forward testing channel and just put all my trades in the trades channel? Or do I separate it as like daily, 4-hour, that type thing? And it depends where I post them. So I post my daily trades in here, 4-hour trades in here. Should I do that? I don't know. Or should I just get rid of it and just keep trades now? So all the 4-hour testing trades are technically the trades I'm going to start taking now anyway.
That's
or do I
a good
keep
idea.
them? Yeah, or do I separate them into daily and then 4-hour? You guys let me know. Get rid of it or find a different person to do it. Same strat, same channel. Just do it as the trades you take. Okay. I'll put a poll out tomorrow morning to see what people think. Yeah. Whichever one you guys want. Because I know some of you guys still technically only trade the daily, but I think people are slowly switching. Because I know a bunch of you guys that slowly, like, because the daily was so slow. I mean, for some of you it's not. For example, Tux. Tux, you're trading the daily and you take more trades than us who are trading the 4-hour. It's crazy. But yeah, some of you guys who are trading just the daily, like, I don't know, you're getting a little bit bored. So was I, to be fair. So you started like moving over to different strats. But now that people have seen all the success from the daily, I think they're starting to come back. They're like, actually, you know what? Nah, fuck it. I'm going to stay with MCR. Which is pretty interesting. He's basically taking like away from his, no matter if there's news or if the level's a bit iffy, he'll like take absolutely everything. But to be fair, Tux, you're doing pretty damn well, so can't blame you. Even though he doesn't have a plan, he doesn't have a clue what he's doing. He's just like, a level? What? A level? Yeah, fuck it, I'm taking it. I'm only playing. I'm playing with you. Alright, it's working, so we can't take the piss. We can take the piss when it stops working. Level and 2 conferences. Nice. Boom. Right, okay, Aussie dollar Swiss. We did have this level, so this was a level. Did that end up not working, or was like... Oh, again, that's a cancel. Yeah, so many cancels, man. So to be fair, no levels of like... I mean, obviously levels have broken, but it's because they've been shit. So for example, not shit, but, you know, would have cancelled. For example, this. If you're looking for a sell from here, and you're still holding the trade, or still looking for the trade after that movement, you are stupid. I mean, not stupid, but statistically, you're at a disadvantage. Price came within 5 pips, did 30, did 29, did another 20, did another 20, then tapped entry, then did another 17, and then broke through. Like, how long do you think a level's going to hold for? I wonder if that one guy who only traded news is doing well. John Galt. Yeah, John Galt was, he's so interesting. He was trading like, he had like fucking 70 different algos. He was showing me a bunch of them. Yeah, it's really cool ones. See you later, Otto. No worries, man. See you later. Yeah, so Aussie dollar Swiss, we got this day level. And this day level. 4-hour levels, we have a few. That one looks 50 pips. I mean, looks pretty shit, but it is a 4-hour level. Yeah, I don't know how to like group the levels I actually like. Big 50 fib. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I do see that. Thank you, Tux. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Nice. I see that. Yeah, I don't know how to... I need to build a bit of a system when it comes to like which 4-hour trades I like. Because obviously with the daily, I was saying like, okay, 100 pips minimum. It's a safe, you know. It doesn't actually define a daily level, but it's just a bit of a, you know, safeguard type thing. If you're taking, you know, a daily level that's 50 pips, statistically the chances of it providing a 30 pip or bigger pullback a lot slimmer compared to if it was like a 150 pip level, obviously. So 100 pips was like a nice little minimum, just to keep you guys a bit safe and, you know, push the probabilities on your side. Whereas 4-hour is a little bit different. Like the level can be 40 pips, you know, I don't know, whatever, yeah, 40 pips. But if it has alignment and a nice move in and ATR is there, like it can still hold. Like this, for example. If this had alignment across like all of Aussie dollar was coming to a level, like that's nice. Yeah, same Tuck. So say I consider a daily level to be a level you can see on a daily. Agreed. Plus it has to have a bit of structure to it. So for example, I would not call that a daily level. I'd more call that as when you go down to 4-hour, you can see the structure to it, so you can actually see the level. So that's a 4-hour level to me. Whereas like a daily, yeah, that's a level. Obviously, it has decent structure to it. You can see the clear high, low, whatever, move in, move out. That's a daily, that's a daily, that's a daily. But when you're looking at like that, that's not a daily. There's nothing really to it. So I think you need to see it and you need to be able to see the structure. So that is clear market structure to the level. I think that's my definition. But if it's not a strong level, I'll look at historic price action. Yeah, okay, yeah, nice. Aussie Swiss looks shit. Let's delete this and just redo. Oh, no. Oh, you. Oh, just got rid of all my indicators like a mong. Ooh, this looks a little bit ugly, doesn't it? Right, let's do some drawing. Fuck. Time's it? Oh, we've already been an hour. Damn, these live streams are getting pretty chunky now. Now that we do the 4-hour as well. This is a bit of an awkward level to mark. Daily. Yeah, may as well mark that one up there. Daily. Oh, I need my webcam back, man. Webcam, my camera. Hopefully, El Gato should help me out this week. said 2 to 3 business days to reply though. That's a pain in the ass. This is technically a daily, but I'm going to mark it out as a 4-hour. I don't know. I think there's too much rate. I wouldn't really take a trade from there realistically. I'll just use it for alignment. Just because this price action here isn't attractive at all. It needs to break out of this, but I feel like if it breaks out to the upside, we're probably going to see a break of that. Whereas I can't lie, that buy isn't too bad. This 4-hour buy. But again, I'd rather it push lower and we go for like this level. I think that's a bit nice. Well, obviously it's way nicer. But yeah, nothing crazy there. I'm not massively interested. Aussie dollar CAD. Again, let's just delete all this. I'll just restart. You got a shitty daily level over here. I don't like that. That's not perfect. There we go. Daily level here. Daily level down here. Which obviously isn't going to get tapped for like a year. Don't need to do any further back than that. Okay, so these are all 4-hour. This, again, that is disgusting. Look at that. That is horrific. 4-hour. That was... Ooh. Look at that. Aussie dollar CAD with ATR, the level. I mean, I would have missed entries. I would have went 915, most likely. I did 9... Oh, missed by 1.4. How many pips did it do? Pretty much to 30. Yeah, that's nice. I'd only go for this top level. And then for these ones down here, wouldn't go for that. I'd go for this lower one though, I think. Yeah. That's why I won't go for these, because these are... I'd rather go for recent price action. Go for this one. What have we seen on here? That level works. This level is currently doing its thing. That did 34. Nice. I'm going to get rid of all this and redo. Let's see. Daily. Obviously I have the high. They look shit. I'm just going to do them on 4-hour. You have obviously the break retest and then obviously just the normal level. So you got... I'd more go off this one for the break retest, to be honest. One in the middle. 4-hour break retest, and you've got that 4-hour level, which again is 48 pips. Yeah, no, I wouldn't really trade that at the minute. And I guess you have these over here. So you have like, again, 40 pips. That is way too small. No thanks. AJ, not really bothered. I can't bother with JPY pairs. They're just going to the moon and doing nothing. Enter D Swiss. This looks okay. 61 fib is actually pretty nice. Only 80 pips, which is such a nice 61 fib, but 80 pips is shit. But I'll still take it anyway, obviously. Yeah, that's a decent trade. So we'll look at that for sure. And you got this one up here. And daily, you've technically got this down here, which is ugly. You've got, not even going to mark that one out. And then you've got the high 4-hour. That is pretty much it. You don't really have anything else. I'm not marking out that. 30 pips. So that is it. You just got the 61 fib. So that's actually a nice trade. I've got an alert set. So we got that as an actual sell. 61 buy too. Yeah, if you're looking at that, I'm not keen. I'm guessing you are. Let's see. What are you looking at? Oh, that. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, yeah, shit. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. You have to go pretty small, though. On a 4-hour, you'd have to go like, what, 30, 30? 25, 25? You got a psych level as well. Maybe 10 pips above the psych. You can go 20, 25, 25. 200 SMA too. Oh, yeah. I go a tiny bit higher, actually. Maybe go on the close. Yeah, that's nice. On my account alert. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you. This looks boring. Boring. Let's mark some stuff out. Daily level. Down here, daily level. Apart from that, most of it looks 4-hour. So let's go to the 4-hour. There is no clean level there. There is no clean level. You got like that. This that could be forming. That is just basically a no-no. I don't like that type of level. There is no level there. Apart from that, I'd go for. That's the only one I'd actually maybe go for, but it's not happening. So, yep, nope. NZD CAD. This level actually worked. Delete that. Did 40. 4 hour daily. You got that little thing down here. Break retest. Yeah, I see that. Oh yeah, yeah, I see that. Just because of that weird candle, that's all. And apart from that, yeah, that's it. Got a fib too. Ooh. You have come prepared today, Tux, haven't you? Fucking hell. And you've got the psych level just above. Damn. Entries. 25. Fucking hell, 25 is huge. 20? NZD CAD. You can maybe even go 2020. I feel like 2020 is a bit scary. I feel like it's too small. 25, 25. I mean, the actual break and retest level is like, there is nothing to it. Like normally you have like a wick that's like, you know, 15 pips. So you got to incorporate that wick, but there's actually nothing here. So all you have to incorporate really is like, you got this where it had another test at that level. I guess the psych level is the only thing you got to incorporate, which you give in, you know, 13 pips of the psych. So yeah, move 25. Okay. Okay, I'd give that a go. NZD CAD, and then we got NZD Swiss. If NZD Swiss though hits, I'd rather go for that. NJ, fuck off. USD Swiss. This, based on my entry, I would have literally skimmed take profit and it would have worked. Where was I looking for my entry? Did I actually post my entry in the trades thing? I think I did when I said cancel. See. Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, I was looking for entry from 85, sorry. And I think, well, obviously if I got entered at 8.5, I would have hit take profit, but ooh, that's an L. Yeah. So if I would have got entered, did it do 30? Ooh. If you were very lucky and entered at 8.3, which I'm pretty sure someone did. Didn't someone enter at 8.3 when you guys were discussing? I feel like someone did. I don't know. I'm pretty sure someone entered at 8.3. Oh yeah, Kev. Yeah, Kev entered at 8.3 and he got some sniper entry. You sent them in the entry. Why didn't you get in then, Lytix? Sent them in the entry and then you were too scared to enter yourself? Wasn't home. Yeah, yeah. Excuses, excuses. I swear, I swear. Yeah, I don't think they would have got filled on that take profit, to be fair. Check NJ. Let me get rid of this. Okay, we'll go for that first then. I do not like anything. Break retest. I'm not keen on that break retest, to be honest. I think that break retest has already worked. It doesn't look like it on the 4 hour, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm not that really like that, to be honest. How do you say his name? Clive, is it? Clive. Did get entered and did get tapped out with take profit. Ooh, beautiful. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to say clicks with Clive. I'll call him Clive. Can't be anything else. Cleve? Cleve? His name must be Clive. Surely. Yeah, USD Swiss. You've also got a break retest, like additional break retest. I'm still in this. Yeah, a few people are. I think you're fine. I think you should be okay. We'll see though, I guess. What's that? Oh shit. Masking tape. No mind, sorry. Just kicking something under my desk. USD Swiss. You've got, let me delete this stuff. You've got that. Daily, I don't really see anything else apart from that high. 4 hour, you don't really have much either. That level is shit. You got that break retest. I'm not really going to mark anything out there. I'm just going to leave it. USD CAD. This level worked nice. This level wasn't tapped. That's gone now. This level I wouldn't really go for just because it's sort of used. I'd more look at this as just one big level, to be honest. So now that we've seen one tap, I won't really be willing to go for it again unless you're going for a quick 4 hour, which this level is too big. So I won't really go for it. That could be a 4 hour, but not really yet. So nothing, no really update for USD CAD. UJ, no, just get rid of everything. I honestly don't really care about JPY pairs at the minute. CAD Swiss, ooh, nice. Ooh, psych level. Ooh, 61 fib, you ready? Bam, 61 fib. Let's go. Okay, nice. That is a nice trade. Booyaka. Does 30-30 look good on it? Let's see. Or is it like tiny or really big? Oh, 30-30 looks okay as well. So we could maybe... We'll have a look. Let's see. Psych. I feel like you could go a bit less with this, to be honest. I feel like 25 is probably fine, isn't it? Depends what ATR is. 35. Wait, are you on about 35 for this? Or are you on about USD Swiss? No. Oh, okay, I was going to say 35 for this is crazy. There's nothing you need to cover apart from the psych level. I'd say 30 or 25. 20 is pushing it. You could do it if you wanted to, but I'd say 30 or 25. I may go 25, but depends on, you know, what happens on tomorrow morning. German, what? CPI all day, what's that about? What's prelim CPI? I've been learning the difference between, like, the different types of news. So obviously I know, like, you know, CPI, PPI and all that stuff, the actual meaning and what they are. But you have, for example, FOMC, not FOMC. What was I learning about? You have, let's have a look, one sec. There's a certain thing, because I want to learn all the different news releases, because if this is what we're going to be like, you know, if you want to do this as a job, this is what you're going to be looking at for the next 10 years type thing. I may as well learn what each of these things do. And once you've learned it once and you've actually got it in your head, you're going to be revising it every single time you look at it. So it's something that'll never go away. So I actually want to look and learn, like, the different things. So I was looking at, there was a difference between, fuck, what was it? Also one of the, like, you know, median CPI, trimmed CPI, common CPI, the fuck? I know it doesn't really matter, but it'd be cool to be able to read this and actually understand what's going on. But I think it was like inflation or something. It was like, you had like, oh, policy. You had a policy statement, policy summary, and policy review. Something like that. And you learn a difference between, you know, whatever. Policy statement is, to be honest, I can't even remember. One of them is where they do the announcement and they tell you what it is. One of them is where then they explain about why they've actually done what they've done. And then the other one is a document that they send out, a detailed document for people to actually learn and read what's gone on. And it tells you, like, the effect of each one. And, like, you know, does the document matter? And, like, each one has, like, the document has, like, the biggest long-term effect on the currency. Because then, you know, that's what they send out to investors and hedge funds and analysts and stuff like that. And that obviously then they take the big trades, and that has a longer term impact. So it's actually interesting. And you know, there is probably like hundreds of different variations of different news. So I kind of want to learn them, but it's going to take a while and a lot of flashcards. But, you know, rather than scrolling TikTok instead, learn what private sector credit month on month means, or German import prices. How does that have an impact on the euro? What is a KOF economic barometer? Or core PCE price index. What's that? PCE price. What do you reckon that is? Price something exports. Doesn't even fucking say. Oh, there. Personal consumption expenditures. Okay, right, that's way off. Anyway, crack on. PMI. Price something index. It's something index. That's gross domestic product. Core. So something index. What do you reckon it is? Purchasing managers index. Oh, fuck, I never would have got that. Anyway, right, crack on. We're almost done now. Look how sexy GBP SGD. Oh, fucking hell. Tux with his fucking exotics now. You know, we're going to have to make a channel with, we'll call it Tux's Exotics. So you can post about his fucking pound Russian rubles. No, you've only been doing it for a week, mate. I don't trust you yet. You can do it for another few weeks. And then we'll see. 38 fib psych. Okay, let's see what you're looking at already. Yeah, this one. Yeah, to be fair, I had the ATR as well. Do you use... Wait, Tux, do you use ATR much or not? I feel like you don't really mention ATR. Yeah, okay. But look at the fucking tap of ATR on that. Look at that. That 40 pips, nice. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'll give it you. It works. Yeah, it worked. CAD Swiss, I think, is the nicest setup for this week. I'm looking forward to that one. CAD GPY, don't really care. Yeah, that can fuck off. Use ATR for entries. Nice. Swiss JPY, fuck off. US 10-year. Ooh, that's an... Ooh. Because I couldn't backtest it. Yeah, it's annoying, isn't it? Yeah, FX Replay don't have it. I don't backtest at all now. Honestly, not asked. Forward testing is the way to go. As long as you're honest with yourself. Same with backtesting. I just need to make sure I'm doing the forward testing at the time of the trade. Because, for example, if I write half the trade down on my journal, like pound Swiss, 38 fib, this is this, and then I go back to it tomorrow, I won't have a clue why it worked, or like why, you know, why, I don't know, or what alignment it was with. So you need to make sure when you're forward testing, you're on top of it, and you make sure you do the forward testing for that day on that day. Because if you wait until the end of the week and go, you know, you look at your journal and there's like 4 trades that haven't been properly filled in. When it comes to alignment and ATR and all that stuff, you won't have a clue why you fucking took that trade. Yeah, there was a fib and a level, but did it work because of the news? Did it work because Aussie dollar, US dollar was also helping to move? Did it work because DXY did a retracement or some news came out and helped? You won't have a fucking clue. It's so hard to remember, especially when you're taking multiple trades, not just one trade a week type thing. So forward testing is very, very beneficial, but you just got to stay on top of it. Same with like the reviews and stuff. There's no point doing like the daily reviews if you're just going to do one a week and half fill it out. You've got to stay on top of it. And I will admit that I did every single daily review in the morning, but I think 3 out of 5 I did in the evening, as in like finished them. I think 2 of them I didn't even finish. So, you know, it's better than nothing, but I need to get on top of it. And I've not even done my weekly review yet. I started it, but I need to finish it after this call. So I'll get that done. Because I need to get that done. So then I can put it on, you know, the sheet here. So I have a little section for weekly review, so you can put all them in as well. And I need to put in the daily reviews as well, actually. But the trade reviews, obviously some of them are going to be empty because I only do trade reviews for the trades I've actually taken. Yeah, which was this one and this one this week, EA and GA. Do you post a list of potential trades? Sort of. You haven't got the Leon roll. If you head to the top, here and go to start here and then see Leon's mentorship, just click Leon's mentorship and then you'll see all these channels. And this is where I post like the trades I'm actually looking for. Sometimes I'll post like my analysis on like what I'm looking for today. I mean, I don't really post it in there anymore. I more post it in like here and stuff. But I'm going to do a bit of a switch up because I'm doing it a bit differently now, but yeah, I do. And well, I was posting daily videos, doing analysis in the morning, but my camera sort of stopped working, so I stopped doing them. But I guess I should carry on. Yeah, I'll start doing them again. Do you have a template for your trading journal? Yeah, hop into Discord. I have it right here. Journal. You just click here, and it'll come up with this, and it has all the stats and all the stuff, all for you. But it's only specific for people who trade my strategy. If you don't trade this strategy, then it's pretty useless for you, which is sort of a good thing because it means you can't steal it and change it to make it yours. Because if you try and change things, it won't work. Trust me, it'll break probably all the, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff over here, and there's stuff in like the back end bit of it, and it'll most likely break. So it's sort of good because it's, yeah, only the people who trade MCR can use it, which is kind of cool. You can't really give it away. You can, but if you're going to put the amount of effort to change it, then you may as well just build your own. All I did was ChatGPT. I don't have a fucking clue. I mean, I do know how to work Google Sheets quite good, but with all these big ass formulas, and like recently I just did these ones, you really think I'm going to do that on my own? Besides that, you should see some of the old ones. Oh, look at this. I like showing people this one. This is some of the old stuff that's still down here, but no one looks at because it's old. But I might actually re-add some of the stuff in because it's cool. But basically, this allows you to select any set of confluences in a pair, and it'll tell you your exact amount of wins, losses, win rate, all that stuff. But look at the size of the formula. Look at the size of the formula. Look how big that is. That's just for one thing. That's crazy. I always like showing people that. It's huge. Yeah, that is like the biggest formula I've ever done. It's fucking massive. And it worked as well. But then I added a bunch of stuff and it no longer worked. But yeah, you can get it all in the Discord. And thank you for saying you like the content. Sorry for not uploading content for like the past 2 weeks. My camera hasn't been working. So I'm going to stack up on content. Like mega stack up on scripts and stuff. So when my camera does start working, I need to go back to daily videos because I was getting a bit lazy. I was going like a video like every 2 days, every 3 days type thing. And I wasn't too consistent with it. So I need to fucking crack down with it and go daily videos. So don't worry. As soon as the camera starts working again and I fix it, I'm just talking to Elgato at the minute to get it fixed because it's not the camera, it's something to do with a PC and a link between it or something. But as soon as it's fixed, it's going to get content galore. I need to step it up. Anyway, US 10-year bonds, decent level on the daily. So we might see some DXY, USD weakness. And then DXY does have this level. So we could see this joint USD weakness. Yeah, that's why it. Also, commodities. I've not really been looking at them. Have we seen... That works nice. The psych level and the level, just that alone. But I mean, stop loss. We would need a bit of a chunky stop loss. Don't really see anything else here. I can't bother, to be honest. Now that I'm trading the 4-hour currency pairs, I literally do not need to look at gold. Like this week alone, I took 2 trades and missed 3. One of them I missed because I wasn't awake, and yeah, I should have caught it. And 2 of them I actually missed by like a few pips. Oh, and GU. I forgot about GU. Someone mentioned that, and I was like, oh shit, yeah, because I have it down on my forward test. And this level here, this was ATR. I think that was it. It was just ATR, strong move in, and we had alignment. Something like that. Yeah, ATR, the level, as you can see. And it must have been alignment or something. EU maybe? What was it, Wednesday afternoon? Yeah, when, EU had the level as well. So, EU level, Forex alignment, strong move in, ATR. Yeah, I should have took that. I don't know why I didn't take it. Wednesday afternoon. I really don't know. Oh well. But yeah, that's about it. So, I gotta go. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll speak to you guys tomorrow in the chat. the Discord is going to be a little bit more active from now on because I'm going to implement some things and sort stuff out. Yeah, I'll sort out the channels for tomorrow as well. Just so it's a bit more organized now that I'm taking the 4-hour trades on normal accounts as well. Daily videos, I'll try and do them as much as possible. I'll try and do at least like 3 a week. Now that I'm trading a 4-hour, for now they won't have obviously me in them because my camera is a bit whatever. But if you guys are happy with like faceless ones for now, how like beneficial are the daily videos for you guys? Like even for the guys who just trade daily time frame or 4-hour or whatever, are they beneficial or are you not too bothered about them? Entirely up to you guys. I'm not offended, by the way, if like you don't watch them or whatever, but yeah, it's all good, Tux. Yeah, that's fine. But if people aren't that bothered, then I won't do them. It's entirely up to you guys. But if they do help, or do you prefer like what about Tux, like for example, like trade breakdowns? For example, like if there's a USD Swiss trade and I did a 5-minute video of why I'm taking that trade, where I'm looking for entries, like that thing, that's probably a bit more beneficial, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Try the trend line on USD CAD. Let's see. A daily. 4-hour. Let's see what you're looking at. That one? I can't see where you drew it from. But I like seeing and thinking before you actually take a trade. Okay, right. I don't want to like give my entries away though. I don't have to give an entry away, I guess. No, I don't have to give my entries away. I'll give like the area I'm looking at, but yeah, I'll give my reason behind why I'm looking at that trade, that type thing. Like, even if it's stop loss or take profit. Yeah, okay, right. I'll start doing like trade reasonings. Okay, nice. Yeah. Okay, right, sorted. I'll do all that. Beautiful. Yeah, I'll do a few polls tomorrow to see, because I'll change a few things up and see what people like and how to change the channels, and if you guys are bothered at daily vids, and try and feel like I should share more trades. Yeah, you should. Yeah, of course. You know what I'm so excited for is for when you guys are at a level where like you're like very consistent and you're confident in your trades. Like when you guys can have your own channels in the Discord, because obviously we have like analysts at the minute, but I can't lie, they're not very consistent and most of them aren't very good. There's barely any. I need to remove most of the Forex ones, to be honest, because they're all gone. Liquid is the only one who does it. Like there's loads of crypto and loads of stocks and options, but when it comes to Forex, like analysts and signal posters and all that stuff on Discord, it used to be huge. There was loads of them, but over the past year they've died. Like there's none, because I don't know, they're just all terrible. So like imagine having like a bunch of MCR traders all as analysts. That'd be so cool. I could get you guys in so many servers as well. If you guys wanted to like start growing your socials or just get your name out there, that'd be so cool. Yeah, seeing like Tux, Lytix and or whatever. That'd be so cool. But yeah, okay. Yeah, let me know. Give me some feedback on the Discord if there's anything you guys, not right now or whatever, but if you guys think there's something I should add or remove or change, or you want me to start posting this thing, that thing, let me know, because I'm going to do some bit of a maintenance in the Discord this week. Delete some stuff, move some stuff. Yeah, because I'm motivated after a good trading week. Let's get the 4% secured this week. Yes, we will do, don't worry. Right, peace out. Thank you guys for popping in. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next week or tomorrow. And I'll actually appear for the mentorship session this week, don't worry. Otherwise Lytix will assassinate me. So I'll be there.